guys, welcome back. Today we're making another easy recipe. I'm showing you guys how I make this easy shrimp Alfredo pasta. I'm sure you guys will enjoy this one, so go ahead, give it a like for me. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my awesome recipes. And let's get started. Here are the seasoning that you'll need. 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash seasoning blend, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 garlic cloves, bacon, however much that you want to add in, 1/4 cup of onion finely chopped. I have about 6 to 12 jumbo shrimp or colossal shrimp if you like. I have the chicken broth here to boil my pasta, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and I forgot to show you guys the pasta. I'm using linguine pasta. You can use fettuccine if you like. In a saucepan, I am going to add the chicken broth, then add some sea salt to salt the water. Then we're going to cover it, let it come to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to add the pasta in. Now I'm using half of the box, half of the package of the pasta. You can use more and just double the measurement that I give you guys, but follow the instruction on the box of the pasta to cook yours. It's very easy. Shouldn't take no longer than 10 minutes for the pasta to cook. Once the pasta is done cooking, just remove it from the hot water. Pour some cold water to it to stop the cooking process. Moving on to the shrimp, I am going to use half of the seasoning that I showed you guys earlier to season my shrimp. Also, I went ahead and add some paprika to it for color. So I'll say about a teaspoon of paprika, which I didn't show you guys earlier, just to make sure you guys have this when you're making yours. And if you do want the pasta to look nice and white, do not add the paprika. It will definitely change the color. Now moving on to the bacon, I am going to cook the bacon. You can cook the bacon in the oven if you like, but I decided to just use this skillet here to cook the bacon. Once my bacon is done, remove it. I am going to remove half of the bacon grease, then add my shrimp to it. Now we're going to cook the shrimp. Keep in mind these shrimps are jumbo. They might not look as big, but they're extremely big. So we're going to cook them about 2 minutes per side. Once one side is nice and cooked, just flip it over and cook it for another 2 minutes. Once it is done, remove them. They should look nice and colorful and pretty. And if you can only smell the aroma of this shrimp, it smells amazing. Now moving on, I am using 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Just add that in there, mix it together. We're going to add in the onion and also the garlic. I am going to cook the onions and the garlic until they're nice and translucent. Then we're going to pour in our heavy cream. I'm using heavy cream with a little bit of half and half in there as well, okay? Now we're going to season it with the remaining of the seasoning. Just add the seasoning in with half of the parsley, about a tablespoon of the parsley. Then we're going to add in the pasta. Now give that a quick mix. Next, we're going to add in the shrimp and the bacon. The bacon doesn't have to be extremely crispy. It's going to get soggy anyway, so it doesn't have to be extremely crispy when you're cooking it. Now I'm adding some more parsley flakes. Trust me, the flavor the parsley going to add to this dish is just amazing. Okay, mix that all together, and once everything is nice and cooked down, the heavy cream is nice and thickened, this is what you have. You have this amazing restaurant quality pasta at home. It tastes really good. All you need now is some wine or whatever you like to drink when you eat your pasta. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this one? Also subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to hit the bell because I would love to see you back here watching me again in another awesome recipe. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.